The musicians here definitely need singing lessons. Like every night at 5 o'clock this starts, midday in the evening. God knows he's trying.
Hey there, I'm Nader, the musical nomad. I'm all about two things, music and travel. I'm a professional drummer and singer-songwriter, and I play the big stages and streets alike. My channel is a fusion of these passions. It's a travel vlog with a musical twist. So if you want to come along, jump on board and subscribe.
The next morning.
Elephant! Good morning. I am on my way to Pushkar. It's so incredibly hectic at 7 a.m. in Udaipur.
Hi guys,
I'm at the central station Udaipur and I'm headed for Pushkar. That's my train. It's very modern. Unfortunately, my coach is in the very back. I'm also slowly getting the hang of it. Actually, everything is well explained in the ticket confirmations and even at the stations. On the displays, the coach numbers, the train numbers, the platforms, in Hindi and in English. On this train, there's two classes, executive class and C class, whatever that is. All right, here we go. My bag, ICE in Germany. Got my ass on my seat. Bag is stowed away, on my way to Pushkar.
Next station is Rana Pratap Nagar.
Everybody gets newspapers. Everybody gets free water. This is a 300-kilometer trip, by the way. Pretty much heading north. Costs €9. 110 kilometers per hour max. So a guy I met a couple of days ago in Mumbai told me he was headed to Pushkar from the train station here. On the cab ride to Pushkar, he almost got mugged. A jeep showed up with 5 guys in bandanas and tried to push them over the road. Somehow they escaped and he was dropped in the middle of nowhere. Alright, we're here. Ajmer. From here I have to take a cab to Pushkar, which is another 20-minute drive. Alright, new place, always exciting. You never know what to expect.
Hello Pushkar.
No.
Pushkar Tuk-Tuk.
No.
Yes, taxi.
Thank you. No, bye. Oh, no, thank you.
Battery show going to Pushkar.
No. धन्यवाद. Bye.
5 kilometers.
नहीं चाहिए. Hello. नहीं चाहिए. धन्यवाद, नहीं चाहिए. Like, and I know people are poor, but it's so annoying, man. This is the first time I'm actually really encountering a lot of touts here. People just fighting over who's gonna take me. Hi! That's the perfect car. Curtains and all. Cool. So close the curtains don't want to be recognized by any of these guys. I mean, it's probably an exception anyway. That's only 2 days ago, same time. The guy charges me around 5-6 euros for a 40-minute drive. It's about 30 kilometers from Ajmer to Pushkar. We park here with an Eiffel Tower and Statue of Liberty behind that. Yeah, I have to walk the rest to the hotel. Cars aren't allowed in here. This place is definitely more on the exotic side. Supposedly, the consumption of milk and eggs is forbidden in this town, which is really refreshing. Unfortunately, dairy is hard to ban from the Indian diet. She's the owner of the hotel. Hi. And that is the location. Yeah, wow. Brahma dropped a lotus onto the floor, and then the lake came to being.
So Lord Brahma decided to I stay here. But how you stay without about water, no animals, no plant,
Right.
no people. So he make the puja with the first wife, the name is Savitri temple, the hill on top hill.
Yeah, I
This
mean,
is Gayatri temple, Brahma's second wife.
that's far away, yeah.
So he do the first puja with the Savitri Mata, but she not coming. So after he marries to another lady, the name is Gayatri, and together he do the puja. So he put the about blue lotus,
Blue
not
lotus.
like pink.
Pushkar is Sanskrit for blue lotus.
Yes.
Right.
So they put the blue lotus and become the water coming. Pushkar is nice, dear. You find very nice people.
Definitely warmer than Udaipur.
Yeah, because Udaipur they have very big lake, you know, and Udaipur is quite expensive. Pushkar is cheap.
So the legend is that Lord Brahma stood on this field, which used to be a desert, and in order to provide for the animals and the people, he thought it would be a good idea to turn this place into a lake by dropping a blue lotus. And it happened. Here it is. So this, where the cow is standing, is where you take off your shoes. It's all barefoot. It's sacred ground, and you can put on your shoes as soon as you're up the stairs again. Normally, people won't harass the hell out of you in this place. At the sacred sites, the temples, and the shoreline of this lake, people will try to provide you with a so-called puja, which is a blessing, a little wristband or a little dot they put on your forehead, and they will charge you horrendous amounts of money for that. It's better to say no before that happens. Also, entry to all the sacred sites and the temples is free. Don't let anybody convince you otherwise. Let's go exploring. Pushkar, I'm ready for you.